These are the tools you'll need to assemble your storage building. Please review all assembly steps before construction and review the parts list to make sure all parts are included. To ensure proper assembly and performance, your storage building needs to be built on a solid, level surface. Concrete or a treated wood platform is recommended. Place the front panel J onto your level surface. Place the back floor panel K onto the front floor panel J, ensuring that the joints of panel K overlap those of panel J so that the two panels connect. Secure the two panels together with 14 AA screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Bend wall panel A into proper assembly orientation, forming a corner for your storage shed. Position panel A on the front left corner of floor panel J. Align ends of panel A into the slots in the floor panel. Push downward until you hear a click. It should stand up by itself when placed correctly. Position the left side wall panel B beside the corner panel, ensuring the joint overlaps properly, and push downward until you hear the click. Slide 4 wall connectors, WC, into the slots between panels A and B to secure the joint. Using a partner for support, repeat the previous process to install the remaining left wall panels C and D. Next, install the right panel walls following the processes as in steps 3 through 6, beginning with the back right corner panel G. Connect wall panel H to wall panel D with 5 wall connectors, WC. Install wall panels F and E. Connect the other walls with 4 wall connectors. Use ladders and another person to position the rear gable L above wall panels D and H and secure with 6 AA screws. Begin by assembling the door hardware. Place the door reinforcement DR into the inside of the left door N. Ensure the door reinforcement is seated properly in the groove. Secure with 10 BB screws. Place the door reinforcement DR into the inside of the right door P. Ensure the door reinforcement is seated properly in the groove. Secure with 10 BB screws. Next, assemble door windows. Install the door window gasket DWG into the groove of the door window frame DWF. Do not stretch the gasket while installing. Press down slightly so the DWG fits snugly into place. Cut excess off with a pair of scissors. Carefully remove the protective covering from both sides of the door window DW. Place the clear door window on top of the door window frame. Press down on the snap tab to hold the window in place. Repeat these steps for the other door window frame. Place the assembled door window on door N. Secure with 19 cc screws and 19 JJ washers. Repeat these steps for door P. Insert bottom hinge pin of left door N into the hole on the floor J. Align the left door N with wall panel A. Place the middle door hinge HB into the slot in door N. Rotate the middle door hinge HB so it aligns with wall panel A. Secure with 3 BB screws. Repeat these steps to attach door P to wall panel E. With the help of another person, position the front gable M above the doors. Ensure the door's top hinge pins are aligned with the gable sockets, and the socket edges align with the slots in the front walls. From inside of the shed, secure the front gable M to wall panels A and E with 4 AA screws. Placement of front gable is easier when both doors are closed. Use ladders and another person to position and hold a roof purlin into the slots of gables L and M. Secure the roof purlin RPR to the gables with hex bolt DD. Repeat for the remaining roof purlin. Assemble the collar tie by placing 2 collar tie brackets CTB on one end of the collar tie CT. Secure with a hex bolt DD, washer GG, and lock nut EE. Repeat this step for the other side. Using a ladder, place the assembled collar tie in the center of the 2 parallel roof purlins. Secure with 2 FF screws on each side. Place the header HD on the back wall. Secure with 6 AA screws. Place header HD on the front gable M. Secure with 6 AA screws. Place roof Q on the left side of the storage shed. With one person holding roof Q in place, secure with 6 AA screws to the purlin. Repeat for the other side. Next, bend upper roof R into proper assembly orientation. Place upper roof R on the top of the storage shed. Ensure the upper roof R properly overlaps the lower roof sections. Install the 4 roof pins RPN per side. Secure each roof pin with an FF screw. Finally, secure upper roof R to the lower roof sections with 20 AA screws. Secure roof panels along the perimeter of roof to walls and gables with 56 AA screws. Have another person hold down the roof when installing the screws. Place the door handle T to door N. Secure with 4 AA screws. Next, push lock hasp X into the slot on door N until you hear the click. Place the door handle T to door P. Secure with 4 AA screws. Secure wall panels to the floor panels with 12 AA screws. Congratulations! Your 7x7 foot and 2-inch storage building is complete and ready for use.